welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming, thank you for visiting. I hope you hit the subscribe button. If you are back in my channel, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming back and being so supportive. I'm feeling better today. I'm in such a way better mood. I guess, I don't know, I guess we all have our moments. You just can't, like, you know, stay in it. Hey guys, finally made it to my destination. It's still pretty rainy outside. I love the rain. I love the way it smells, but I don't want to get wet. So, anyway, I got a breakfast sandwich. I normally, she gave me ketchup. I don't know why she gave me ketchup. I remember asking for ketchup. And their hash browns always suck. They suck. So I'm just gonna eat a really quick bite before the girls get here because it's probably gonna be busy, just because when it rains it gets really busy. We didn't hug this morning. That was hugs. Okay, so here's my breakfast sandwich. It's the same basic sandwich from McD. I wish they would bring back the bagel, but they're not going to because I liked it. So unless it's just this one, I don't know. But oh, happy Father's Day to all you guys out there and you single moms, because without you guys there wouldn't be a Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to my mom, because my mom is my mom and my dad. Look how good it is. Super delicious. I hope today's good. I better be good. So what do you guys have plans for Father's Day? Did y'all do anything? Let me know down below. I don't go to McDonald's a lot, but that's all there is over here. There's some Mexican restaurants over here that have the burritos, but I don't like the burritos. I ain't gonna eat it. I don't like the way they taste. It's just gross. Yeah, I said it. I don't even like to eat with lipstick on, but I'm doing it. You know, I got my sugar-free vanilla. I took a deep breath and then I said all those words. I almost died. Anyway. Oh. I forgot I gotta hurry before the girls drive up. The bread is really dry. There's some days that their food is so good, and there's some days that they're not. But for breakfast, okay, because their Big Macs are fire. I think that if I was to ever have to do my mukbang all in Spanish, I wouldn't be able to do it. Hola, ¿cómo están? Ahorita estoy comiendo una biscuit de salchicha y huevo. How do you say biscuit in Spanish? We're gonna have to Google that. Siri! Estoy comiendo antes que se llegan toda la gente o mis compañeros. Dude, I can speak Spanish, but you put me on the spot and I'm like, I can't do it. No. Hola, ¿qué tal? No. I don't know. Sorry. Ooh, I get my nails done Wednesday at 2. I'm gonna My other one's broke. I'm not gonna walk around with a busted finger on one hand. Two on the other hand. I'm not gonna do it. Don't make me. Huh? It is what it is. I don't know yet what I want to have done. I keep saying that I want my nails shorter this time, but I know I am. Yeah, a la mera hora, right to the second, I'm like, oh, just do them long, girl. Just do them long, girl. Just do them long. And then afterwards, when I can't type, you know, I'm pretty fast at typing. But when I got my nails done, because it had been so many months, you know, with the whole quarantine and everything, I couldn't type anymore. Well, not with the nails. I couldn't. It was like near impossible. Well, when I got my nails done this last time, I was like, and then I got a little faster at it, but I was still annoyed with the nails. So I was Googling like summer nails, short nail designs, and I was like, they're cute. Don't get me wrong, they're cute. But I already know how I am. At the last minute, I'm gonna say, I want them long. Longer. Well, what's the problem? Oh my god, I finished my film. Well, almost. This was a challenge, I would have won. Oh. Oh, I ate. Beat the girls. You know, you got to do that. So whenever oh, come on. So you got to do that so that when you go inside, you don't got no evidence. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, time for me to go. And don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.